Double Diamond Railroad back doing a test video shoot because we got new methods of post-production that really help the audio. I've run 3 test videos, uploaded and put in private, went in and watched them on the TV. Pretty good. I'm going to fire up the Alcos. I wanted to hear how they sound after I make the video up. Just going to jump around all over, waiting for the switch to come. It just hit Columbus, Ohio at 3:40 p.m. There's a chance I might get it tomorrow on Thursday now. It says Friday, but we might get it a day ahead since it's running pretty good today through the system from Kansas City over to Columbus. That's only 80 miles away. Hopefully it can get through. It's got one more route to go, I think. One more hub, and that's where it always dies in a black hole. So I hope they bypass that, get a shot up here tomorrow. Let's get this fired up. See if throttle hold works. Looks like it is. That's some background noise from the dryer. I'm pointed right toward that area. That sounds pretty good. Shut those down. Let's jump over here to these CSX. Try the same trick. You don't need any warm up today. You just hit 100 with 120 heat index. Because the dew point's through the roof. That'll be a good sound check. Almost forgot about these guys. GP38-2, we got GP15 in the middle and 2 C39 or GP39-2s, front and back. In stereo. It looks like they're trying to go. Had to reset. Oh, they are gone. You don't want that. Stop that. And number 9's messing me up here. Back up some more. This is good and right outside the microphones. See if we overdrive. Trying to talk softer. But I just had a big coffee. Okay, now we set to number 9. Try this again. Without moving. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's go to the other side where the action is. Should say where the destruction is and no action. Everything out of its place. Disaster everywhere. Everything cleaned out of the way. Tools everywhere, trees blown down, totally cleared out. More stuff up here. 1, 2, 3 box, pins, whatever. Prepare for the next phase. Like I said, the switch made it to Columbus. So let's see if we get it tomorrow night. So got the old bad switch in. Got the shim ramp that I put in made up. Got the track laid in over top and pinned. We're thinking this all the way through. Everything we have to do in order. We'll take all that out. First thing is put that switch in there and how to do that and get all the joiners to line up. 2 insulators on the middle and then slide the other ones on the outside rails back over as far back as you can get them. Once you engage the 2 insulated joiners there in the middle of the frog, then you can lay the switch down, get it close, pin it, and wiggle your joiners, outside joiners, metal ones, over the rails. That's how we're going to do it. And I see, standing back here, I can see there's a dip right there. There's a dip from the switch before the ramp. So that's going to have to be shimmed up. We'll put it all together and see how it lays out. And we'll shim for leveling. That's going to take some couple shims there up underneath. Styrene. Maybe even a piece of cork, we'll have to see. Let's see how that comes out. Curve's way more spread out and it's going to join up. Where is it? Right in there somewhere. Right there, right about there. So it'll be interesting. I'm chomping at the bit to get on it. Trying to keep busy doing things upstairs, playing radio and other stuff. Ham radio, listen 10 to 11 meters. And watching videos of real trains, Alcos. Matty Gunn in New York showing his Alcos. Those are good. Okay, we'll go ahead and wrap it up here. Just passing time, testing my new audio leveling technique, boosting technique, and uploading and testing it. Save it private, watch it on a TV, link it from the phone before I publish it. Probably screw up the algorithm throwing a new one out today. Got to be careful on the title. Make sure it doesn't try to divert off to who knows where. Got to keep it centered on end scale. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We'll get there. Take care, God bless, have a good one. Double Diamond Railroad, out.